In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Minister of Public Health delegation and UNICEF representatives inspect hospitals and health centers in Laghman province. The Director General of the National Disaster Preparedness Authority meets with International Organization for Migration IOM official responsible for disaster risk reduction. And more than 10,000 people die across Europe as a recent heat wave intensifies. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Monday, the 27th of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 22nd of Sartan 1405, and the 13th of July 2026. The news details. A delegation from Afghanistan's Minister of Public Health, accompanied by representatives of UNICEF, conducted inspection visits to several hospitals and health centers in Laghman province. Officials and staff of the centers shared their challenges, operational needs, and recommendations with the delegation. Therefore, the delegation assured the healthcare personnel that the concerns raised would be addressed and that the necessary measures would be taken to improve the quality and delivery of health services. Mullah Nuruddin Turabi, the Director General of the National Disaster Preparedness Authority, met with Disaster Risk Reduction Officer of the International Organization for Migration IOM to discuss the recruitment, training, and equipping of community volunteers. Mr. Turabi underscored the vital role of the volunteers in disaster management and urged the IOM to ensure that the allocated funding is utilized effectively for the implementation of the program. The IOM representative stated that 90 volunteer committees will be established in each of the provinces of Kabul, Kandahar, and Balkh, with members receiving both professional training and the necessary equipment. The news continuation. According to Nangarhar Provincial Media Office, the Counter-Narcotics Director of the Provincial Public arrested 13 individuals during separate operations conducted in Jalalabad city and several districts on charges of drug trafficking, possession, and distribution. Authorities said a significant quantity of narcotics was seized during the operations, and the suspects have been referred to the relevant judicial authorities for further legal proceeding. And ultimately, according to Reuters, an unprecedented heat wave that swept across Western Europe in late June has resulted in deaths of more than 10,000 people across European countries. The report states that more than 9,000 of the victims were aged 65 and above, highlighting the severe impact of the extreme temperatures on older populations. The news conclusion, blessing day, wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.